And because they are out of the west, that's an indication that that cold front has moved through. You always look at that wind direction. And even this morning, we've been seeing a little bit of a freezing rain out there because temperatures have been right around the freezing mark.
I feel bad for Santa Claus if he had to travel back across the United States to get to the North Pole. All this
Hopefully he's got the windshield wipers going.
Right, he's got the windshield. There's wet reindeer fur. That's no good.
Not fun to clean up.
No, you don't want to deal with that.
We've got that warm front lifting through, so that's going to continue to bring in plenty of warm and moist air.
Let's look at the 7-day, and I'm going to make my way down here. Again, it's a great day to ride all the slides here at the Elise County Fair. And for now, I'll send it back to you guys.
We do have a severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued for parts of Van Wert County. We actually have 2 cells that are starting to move through, and you can see they are producing some more moderate to heavier rain showers. This system, yes, it is still strong in our area, but certainly packed a punch off to our west. This is all thanks to a larger system, an area of low pressure, as well as a cold front that's been very slow moving, almost stationary. Now, the reason why it's been very slow moving it's because of this high pressure off to the east coast. It's what's called the blocking high pressure. So it's not been going anywhere, and it's strong enough that it's keeping this system from really progressing. I do want to show you something pretty cool. This whole system is more or less making a question mark out there. So it's kind of like the Riddler is messing with our weather. Notice a little bit of a pattern of the precipitation as well as the clouds, and I'll switch the map here for you. It looks a lot like our jet stream. Those heavier rain showers, they are starting to move out of Allen County, but we're still dealing with some heavier rain showers, even some gustier winds in a couple of other counties. But there was also a cold front associated with this low and about a lot of severe weather down to our south along the east coast. So they had some tornado warnings, funnel clouds, strong winds, hail even reported. You can see a look at those storm reports. Tomorrow we'll be feeling better. We'll be into the 30s. So
that's good.
Who knew we'd be happy to be back into the 30s? But this morning it is so cold out. We are seeing temperatures this morning in the upper 20s, so similar to yesterday morning, but we had some lower 30s out there yesterday morning as well, so slightly cooler this morning because we have been seeing some clearing skies. You can see 28 here at Lima, 22 for Delphus, 27 in Ottawa, 29 in Wapak, 28 in Bellefontaine. So again, a little bit cooler this morning because we've been seeing those clouds break up during the overnight. So we are going to be expecting to see a little bit more sunshine for today. You can see some clear skies on satellite and radar at this hour. Dry conditions, they are expected once again for today, because we still have that high pressure that's influencing our weather. It's started to move a little bit further to our east, though, but again, we're still going to be seeing some clearer skies for today, so some more sunshine. Eventually, clouds will be building back in, and we will be seeing some rain showers building in because of this area of low pressure over Texas. So that will be pulling up plenty of moisture, plenty of rain, which will eventually start to turn into some rain showers. But today, we are still staying dry. We'll see temperatures right around 46 degrees, so in the mid-40s thanks to that sunshine. But again, clouds will begin to increase, but tonight, that's when we're going to start to see things change. We'll see those rain showers moving in after midnight, and with temperatures right around that freezing mark, it is possible we could wake up to some freezing rain tomorrow morning, and winds, they'll be increasing as well. So I'll show you here in the futurecast. We'll start tonight. Again, through the day today, we're staying dry. We will see those clouds increasing. That area of low pressure, it will be making its way towards us, pulling up plenty of moisture. You can see a little bit of pink in there, so that's an indication that there could be a little bit of freezing rain for your Wednesday morning. So we could wake up to some slick spots tomorrow morning, but we will be seeing more rain showers move in. So I think anything we do see slick-wise, ice-wise tomorrow morning, that freezing rain, that will quickly melt thanks to those rain showers moving through. But they could be more moderate to heavier at times, so we could see some low-lying areas dealing with some minor flooding issues. But we'll continue to see the chance for some scattered rain showers through the day on Wednesday. And then we do have that counterclockwise circulation of some colder air funneling in behind that area of low pressure. So we will start to see some of those rain showers turning into some snow showers. So rain-wise, we could see anywhere from about, I think, 3/4 of an inch to 1.25 inches. And then with the snow transitioning into your Thursday, we could see, I think, anywhere from 2 to 3 inches. Now, if that system would shift a little bit further to the east, we could see those those snow totals increasing slightly. But right now, it looks like we should be falling in a range of about 2 to 3 inches. So we'll be dealing with possibly some slick roads for your Wednesday, and then we've got that snow to contend with on Thursday as well. But again, rain totals wise, I think we'll be anywhere generally between about 3/4 of an inch to 1.25 of an inch. But here's a look at your road conditions this morning. Not a problem. Tomorrow morning, possibility of some freezing rain out there, so do take your time on the roads, and then we will have that snow as we head into your Thursday morning. And here's a look at the 7-day forecast. Again, we've got some colder air that will start to funnel in for Thursday, so that's why we will see that change over to snow. So we'll be back in the 30s by Thursday.
Okay, Elise, and we were saying Jeff jinxed us.
Jeff jinxed us.
Yes, because last week you were like, I think winter's over, and now look,
I do believe
we're getting freezing rain, snow.
Summer arrives this Saturday, but temperatures are already on the rise. Now that people are spending more time outside, they need to be aware of what their body is telling them. Elise Dolinar has the story.
Summer is a great time to get outside, do some gardening, play some sports, and hang by the pool, but it's not all fun and games. People need to be aware of the effects the sun and heat have on their body.
Definitely have to watch out with these warmer temperatures for signs of heat stroke, heat exhaustion, which can be anything from muscle cramps to sometimes a little bit of confusion as well.
Young children and elderly individuals are the most susceptible to heat stroke and heat exhaustion, so it's important to keep an eye on them in warmer temperatures and when they are outside.
The little children aren't going to tell you, "Mommy, I'm hot." You know, they're going to basically come in with the kind of little bit of the redness and equivalent of a sunburn. The elderly also they tend not to drink as much water, so that's something to be definitely taking note of.
Another major problem that arises in the summer months is the risk of leaving children or pets in a hot car. Never leave them in the car, even if you think you'll be back in a few minutes. With 90-degree heat outside, temperatures inside your car will heat up to well past 100 degrees in only a matter of minutes. I put a thermometer in one of our news cars here at the station, and within 5 minutes, the temperature inside the car had reached over 100 degrees. In another 5 minutes, the temperature was up to 112, and after 30 minutes of being in the car, the internal temperature read 127 degrees. Imagine what those temperatures could do to a child or pet.
You always read about each year, especially around this time, of parents thinking, "Oh, I'm just going to run in the store very quickly. It'll only be a minute." The problem is that can kill children. That can basically give a heat stroke and cause a lot of permanent damage.
We all hate hearing about the reports of heat-related deaths in the news, but they can be prevented. Simple ways of ensuring summer heat safety include staying cool and hydrated, as well as taking breaks and limiting sun exposure. It's important that we listen to our bodies when they tell us to take a break. In Lima, Elise Dolinar, your news now.